Hello students, welcome to e-learning class of Guru Gobind Singh Public School and Junior College Nasik. I am Mrs. Smita, your English teacher of Standard 5th. Today we are going to learn a moral story from Unit 4. Name of the story is Water in the Well. Learning objectives. After watching this video, students will be able to know and understand message that honesty and goodness always win over an evil. To know the different characters from the lesson, to enhance reading skills. Introduction to the lesson. Water in the Well is a story of an honest farmer who gets fooled by a greedy man and how a Qazi provides justice in the end. The story gives a message that honesty and goodness always win over an evil. Let us see the story Water in the Well. What a farmer needs most for his fields is a good source of water. Qasim had his eye on a well that was just outside the boundary of his field. But Ahmad, the man who owned the well, was a crafty old man. He would not allow anyone to draw water from his well. He told Qasim, "Why do you come to me again and again to beg for access to my well? I feel sorry to turn down your request every time. I have a suggestion for you. Collect some money and buy the whole well from me." Qasim thought over the suggestion and liked it. He knew Ahmad would ask for a lot of money, but he saw in his mind's eye channels of water running from the well through his field and made a decision. He took all his savings to Ahmad and bought the well. The next day he went to the well happily and dug out a channel. But when he began to draw water, there was a surprise in store for him. Suddenly, Ahmad came forward and announced, "What are you doing, Qasim? How dare you touch the water in my presence?" "What do you mean? Haven't you sold this well to me?" "Ah, I sold the well, all right, but not the water in the well. The water still belongs to me. You can't use it. If you needed the water along with the well, you should have said so. I have a suggestion for you. Pay for the water separately and use it. You can buy fresh water every day. I don't mind." Qasim was shocked to hear Ahmad's argument. It was so unfair, so unjust. He rushed to the Qazi and told him the whole story. The Qazi was a wise man. He told Qasim to bring Ahmad to his court so that he could hear both sides of the case. Ahmad was summoned to the court. I see that you are right. What you have sold is the well. The water is all yours. Isn't that so?" Qasim's heart sank when he heard the Qazi's words. Ahmad, in his heart of hearts, was overjoyed. He had never thought the Qazi would side with him. "My lord, I am so grateful you understand the fine points of this case. The water does indeed belong to me." "In that case, Ahmad, why are you keeping it in Qasim's well?" "You have no right to keep your belongings in his property. You must remove them immediately, or else you can pay a daily rent to Qasim. Then he will allow you to use his well." Ahmad was so confused that he did not know what to say. All the people present in the court began to laugh. But Qasim was a generous man. He never troubled Ahmad for the rent that was due from him. This was the story about Qasim and Ahmad. Did you enjoy this story? Students, what did we learn from the story? Moral of the story is honesty and goodness always win over an evil. Let us see the new words in glossary. Boundary means the limit of an area of the line marking it. Crafty means cunning. Access means approach or enter. Suggestion means a proposal. Decision, a conclusion reached after consideration. Channel means passage or a stretch of water. Announced means make known to public. Presence means being present. Argument, a reason put forward. Summoned means to call for someone. Let us see the phrases from this lesson. Again and again means repeatedly. Thought over means to consider. In his mind's eye means in his imagination. In store for means something that is waiting to happen. His or her heart sank means to feel disappointed. Heart of hearts means to be very sure of something. Let us see the summary of this lesson. The water in the whale story, which revolves around two main characters, Qasim and Ahmad. Qasim was a farmer who was kind and humble by nature, who gets fooled by a greedy man, Ahmad. At the end, Qazi provides justice to Qasim, the Qazi who knows how to deal with cunning and greedy people like Ahmad. Instead of punishing Ahmad, he used his wit to teach him a lesson and serve justice at the same time. Assignment or homework. Question number 1. Find the meaning of the following phrases and use them in your own sentences. First phrase is his or her heart sank. Next, heart of hearts. Question number 2. Do you agree with the Qazi's decision? What qualities of the man does it highlight? Thank you.